Hi everybody and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts. So in your craft bags today you are going to get some paper, and there's certain size papers. So first of all you're going to get a big blue sheet of paper. Then you are going to get a green smaller piece of paper, and then you're going to get a dark blue piece of paper, and the last thing you're going to get is a yellow circle. So today's craft is actually based on a promise, and actually the promise is what you want it to be, but the Morningville Library has made a promise to the Indigenous people in this area that they will honor them, and as long as the sun shines, the river flows, and the grass grows. So that's going to be a very, very long time, right? So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your bigger piece of blue paper, and it's a little bit too big. So if you want to, you can take this sheet of paper and cut it down to the right size. What we're going to do with this one is we are going to cut it out so maybe it looks like hills, or maybe it looks like just waves. And so we're going to do that. And then, so this is the grass that grows, this is the sun that shines, and this is the river. So I don't know if you've ever seen a river that goes like this. So I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to actually make just kind of a river or wave kind of idea. So it kind of looks like waves. I'm going to do the bottom too. Okay, does that look like more like a river? I think it does. And so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it, I'm going to cut it so they're the same way. So these are going to be like hills. And then sometimes you have a valley, and then another hill, and then we're going to just make this flat. So here is my hills where the grass grows. Okay, so I'm going to glue this on. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so you can see that this green paper is not as long as this sheet of paper. So I said that you could cut this off. So we're going to glue first our grassy hills. So here we have our grassy hills. Now we're going to put our river that is going through the hills. And actually, you could actually make it smaller. So maybe I will make it smaller, because sometimes a river starts off really big and then it gets smaller. Or sometimes the opposite happens, is if you're in the mountains, the rivers start really small, and as they get to the ocean, it gets bigger. So I'm going to glue this on. Well, it doesn't need to be a lot of glue, just so our paper can stick. And then we're going to put our sun up in the sky. Okay, so there's our sun in the sky. So as long as the sun shines, the grass grows and the river flows. And so what you can also do is, if you would like to do something more with this, is you can actually make little bits of grass growing on your hills. All over, and like that. And if you wanted to, you could actually make little fish that are swimming in the river. And this is how I learned a long time ago how to make fish. And that is the craft for this week. So remember the important promise. As long as the sun shines, the grass grows and the river flows. I'm not sure if I got that in the right order, but that is our craft for this week, which actually happens to be part of Indigenous Days, which is pretty important too. Okay, bye guys. We'll see you next time, Cozy Corner Crafts. And actually, I should let you know that I won't be doing the crafts for the summer, but Miss Ginger, who is very, very good, will be doing the crafts for the summer. So we'll see you guys soon. Bye.